Kicking off this showcase is House 01, a 29 by 43 feet concept where massing does most of the architectural talking. The upper floor is a single cantilevered timber-clad box that floats above a darker recessed masonry base, made dramatic by the scale of the overhang and the continuous ribbon of glazing beneath it. A freestanding stone chimney anchors the floating upper box, while a generous glass-to-block ratio downstairs keeps the dark masonry from feeling heavy. Inside, luxury comes through scale, material consistency, and lighting discipline rather than ornament. Walnut paneling recurs across the living room, kitchen, music room, and bedrooms, creating continuity, while stone fireplace walls and cantilevered concrete benchtops add weight and permanence. The inclusion of a tiered home cinema, a music room with grand piano and vinyl setup, and a fermentation room, each finished to the same standard as the main living areas. Warm cove lighting throughout completes the sense of quiet, considered indulgence. House 2. Closing out today's tour is House 02, 33 by 39 feet. A concept that seamlessly blends architecture with its landscape. Olive trees and rust-toned corten steel planters connect with the upper timber cladding, while ornamental grasses and gravel soften the contrast between the dark stacked stone base and the light wooden upper volume. This gradual transition makes the house feel like a natural extension of its site. Beyond the exterior, the design prioritizes one thing above all: how the house feels to live in day to day. Spaces are strictly crafted for unwinding, from the cozy living room anchored by a stone fireplace to a dedicated music room. Thoughtful details, like a calming walk-in dressing room and a kitchen with open shelving for preserved goods, turn daily routines into moments of peace. Throughout, natural textures, warm lighting, and generous garden views invite you to pause and appreciate every room,